Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Google VO3 and Minimax Hailuo AI. These two AI-powered video generators promise to transform how we produce content, but promises are one thing, performance is another. In a landscape where visual fidelity, motion dynamics, and creative precision can make or break a project, these tools are put to the ultimate test. What was the result? A fascinating tug-of-war between vibrant artistry and dynamic storytelling, with each model carving out its own niche in this high-stakes competition. We explored the new strengths and weaknesses of these two AI titans through a series of carefully designed scenarios, from the intricate texture of underwater coral reef to the fast-paced intensity of a Paco POV sequence. The comparison reveals surprising insights into their capabilities. Whether you are a filmmaker seeking exceptional visual clarity or a creator prioritizing fluid motion and immersive storytelling, this breakdown will help you uncover which tool aligns with your vision. The question isn't just which model is better, it is which one is better for you. Let's start. Now, Minimax Helio O2 excels in visual fidelity, delivering sharper details and vibrant colors, making it ideal for intricate visuals like nature documentaries and artistic renderings. Google VO3 outperforms in dynamic camera movements, offering fluid and immersive storytelling, making it better suited for creative projects requiring stylistic motion. Both models performed equally well in fast-paced scenarios like Paco POV, showcasing smooth and fluid motion dynamics. Neither models include built-in audio tools. They do include, VO3 does include, but they can be paired with external software for enhanced audio integration and synchronization. VO3 includes built-in audio tools, but that of Minimax, I don't think it includes. It doesn't include it. So VO3 actually wins in this aspect. Now, choosing between the two depends on project need. Minimax Helio O2 is best for high detail visuals, while Google VO3 is ideal for dynamic and creative storytelling applications. Now, to ensure it was an unbiased evaluation, both models were tested using identical input images and prompts across 5 carefully selected scenarios, like a vibrant dance floor scene, a Paco point of view sequence, an underwater coral reef, a street interview, and expressive close-up monologue. So this structure approach provided a comprehensive framework to evaluate the model's performance across diverse creative applications, and these were the findings. When it came to the dance floor scene, Minimax Helio O2 excelled in this scenario, delivering vibrant colors and sharp visuals that brought the scene to life. Google VO3, while capable, lacks the same level of visual richness and vibrance. When it came to the Paco POV, like I said earlier, both models performed admirably. Neither demonstrated a clear advantage, as both handled the fast-paced dynamics effectively. When it came to the underwater coral reef, Minimax Helio 2 stood out by capturing intricate details and vivid underwater textures. Its ability to render complex environments gave it a significant edge over Google VO3 in this scenario. And when it came to the street interview, Google VO3 showcased its strengths in dynamic camera movements, creating a more immersive and natural viewing experience. Minimax Helio 2, while visually clear, lacks the same level of stylistic fluidity. And lastly, when it came to the expressive close-up monologue, Minimax Helio 2 outperformed Google View 3 by rendering sharper visuals and more nuanced facial expressions, effectively conveying emotional depth and subtlety. So, in conclusion, the findings underscore the importance of aligning the model's strength with the specific demands of your project. So whether you prioritize visual detail or dynamic motion, each tool offers unique advantages. Google View 3 and Minimax Helio 2 represent significant advancements in the field of AI-driven video generation, but like I said, their strengths cater to different creative needs. Minimax Helio 2 shines in scenarios requiring high visual fidelity and intricate detail, making it a strong contender for projects like nature documentaries, artistic visuals, or any content that demands exceptionally clarity. On the other hand, Google VO3's expertise in dynamic camera movement and stylistic execution makes it better suited for creative text-to-video applications or scenarios that emphasize fluid motion and immersive storytelling. So as AI video generation technology continues to evolve, these models highlight the growing potential of automated tools in creative industries. Whether your goal is to produce visually stunning content or explore innovative storytelling techniques, both of them offer powerful solutions to meet your needs. So by understanding their unique capabilities, I believe you can make an informed decision and unlock new possibilities in video creation. See you in the next one.